Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable language translation on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile device. From there, go to the menu option at the bottom right corner. Now from here, scroll down below and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now from here, go to the option of Settings on top. Now once you come here, scroll down below and under Preferences, tap on Language and Region option. Now once you come here, you'll see the option of language you'd like to have posts translated into. So in my case, the language is selected for English. So if you tap on that option, you'll come across a list of various languages that you can choose from. So choose the language according to your choice, and then later your posts will be translated into the language that you have selected. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.